This is good.
You's a vegan, but you going ham. Yeah.
Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome to Pretty Brown Vegan, the place for plant-based comfort foods. In today's video, I will be showing you guys how I made these chocolate fudge and vanilla cake batter cookies. I was inspired to do this recipe off of a video I saw on TikTok. I decided to veganize these and change the flavor up a little bit, but I will link that original video down below so you guys can check it out. It was really good. And I also created a homemade icing as well. If you guys are interested, go ahead and stay tuned and go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you're not already subscribed so you don't miss out on future uploads. Thank you so much for watching. These are literally the easiest cookies that you can make. We are preparing these using box cake today. I am using one box of the dark chocolate fudge and another box of vanilla. These are both by Duncan Hines, and I just found these at my local grocery store. We're gonna go ahead and add these two bowls separately, and then we're gonna go ahead and add in 2 eggs worth of this vegan just egg, as well as a half a cup of vegetable oil. So we're not gonna follow the exact recipes on the back. We're just going to vary them slightly so that we can get the cookie instead of a cake. Once you get both the egg and the vegetable oil added in, we're just going to go ahead and give this a nice mix until it is well combined. Once you have the first cake mix, we're just going to go ahead and repeat the same steps with the same exact measurements on the other box of cake. Once you have both boxes mixed together, we're going to go ahead and scoop an even amount of each of the mixes into our hands and roll them up into a ball. Then we're going to go ahead and place them on either a greased baking sheet or a parchment paper lined baking sheet and bake it in the oven for 350 degrees for about 10 minutes.
yes. I need you next to me. Oh, I need someone to clap for me.
And this is what they look like when they come out of the oven. They are perfect. We're just going to go ahead and set that to the side and get started on our icing. For the icing, we're going to use a half a stick of melted butter. We're also going to add to that butter some powdered sugar. Once you get all of your powdered sugar added in, we're just going to go ahead and whisk that a little bit before adding in a couple additional ingredients. Once you give that a light toss, we're going to go ahead and add in a splash of vanilla as well as a little bit of almond milk. For the vanilla and the almond milk, I completely eyeballed that until it reached the consistency that I liked. For the powdered sugar, I did use 2 cups. And for the vanilla, I usually just add in a generous splash. And then with the almond milk, I added in a little bit at a time until it reached the consistency that I liked. So just go ahead and eyeball it and adjust it until you get a nice icing consistency that you're looking for. Once your icing reaches your desired consistency, we're just going to go ahead and take it and drizzle it right on top of these cookies that have slightly cooled. And then that's it, guys. This is the easiest recipe that you could make. Honestly, using the box cake made it so quick and easy. Again, I'm going to go ahead and link the original TikTok recipe I saw down below. They did a different flavor, which I thought looks really good. I'll probably try that next. But if you guys enjoy this content, go ahead and give me a thumbs up and go ahead and comment down below. Let me know and stay tuned to watch me give these a try. This is good. It's like really soft. Like, it tastes like cake. It tastes like cake, literally, but it's like more of a cookie texture. Too bomb, and then that little bit of drizzle of icing on top. I look.